Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Pretty Edgy. My name is Graylisha and I'm back with another video. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys how I am able to keep up my silk press. I did get a silk press today and this is my first silk press in about 2 years. Okay, so I am very happy with how the silk press did turn out. I was able to find a natural hair stylist here in my area where I live in Arizona, and she got me all the way right. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I pin up my hair at night when I do have my silk presses in. This pin up method, it's an old school method, okay, but for me, it does help my silk presses to last like at least a good 2 weeks if I pin it up that long. I'm also going to be talking to you guys about the importance of hair maintenance with a professional, okay? So let's get started with pinning up my hair, and then I will be talking along the way. So I do have my bobby pins right here. Ooh. And these are the crinkle ones. These are the crinkle ones. So I am going to be pinning up my hair right now, and I'm just going to pull it section by section based on like the curl. It's already kind of sectioned off because I just did get it done today. So it's a lot easier for me to just kind of pull them apart and pin it up. So I just rolled it around my finger and I'm just rolling it all the way up. To my scalp pretty much. And then I'm just gonna lay it flat. Take my bobby pin. Ooh. All right, from the top. So I'm just gonna take one little piece, twirl it around my finger. Then from there, I'm gonna pretty much just keep on rolling it up. Just like that. Take my bobby pin. And it's so silky, guys. So hopefully it stays. So that is one little pin curl, just like that. And I'm just gonna continue with pinning my whole hair up until all my curls are pinned up. But like I said, while I am doing this, I'm just going to be talking to you guys about the importance of having a hair maintenance professional. And I didn't really know how important having a stylist to, take care of your natural hair in between, you or myself, like really. I didn't know how important it was to really have a professional, in your natural hair care journey. I really just figured it out today once I did get my hair done, how important it is to have a stylist, especially for your natural hair, because you need those professionals to, make sure you are treating your hair right, making sure you are doing the right thing and using the correct products. Because it's so much advice out here from all of us about, what products, work well for us. And you need those professionals to tell you like, yeah, that is actually good for your hair, or no, that's actually just a myth and it really will not help your hair. It's also important to have a stylist also for your trims and your maintenance cuts on your hair, because y'all remember I told y'all that it has been about 2 years since my last silk press. Well, it's also been about 2 years since I got my hair trimmed. So the whole time, and also that last time where I got my hair, trimmed and my silk press, I did have color in my hair. So, from that time frame 2 years ago to now, all the color has grown out, or pretty much did grow out about 90%. So, I'm thinking like, yeah, my ends are bad, but my hair is growing because my color has grown out. So, I'm thinking, I'm just going in for a regular trim. No, ma'am. My ends were so bad. They looked a hot mess. And I'm going to try to insert a video of it so you guys can see how my ends actually looked once she got my hair straightened. Okay, my ends were horrible. They looked a hot mess. So because of that, she ended up having to, she ended up having to cut my hair about almost 4 inches off, you guys. Almost 4 inches off. Hold on, this one is trying to get me a run for my money. And I don't want this video to be too long, so I want to make it quick. But yes, y'all, she had to cut about 4 inches, between 3 and 4 inches off my hair today. So I was so hurt, but at the same time, I knew those ends needed to go. If I kept them, yes, I would have had length, but my hair would not have looked as nice and as healthy with those ends as bad as they did look. So definitely do not be like me, you guys. Definitely make sure you go get your trims every 4 to 6 weeks, or 6 to 8 weeks. I'm not sure. I'm not a professional, so make sure you consult with a natural hair care professional, because I'm not. But whatever the recommended time frame is for you to get your trims, make sure you do them and get them, because it's so important for the health of your hair, so important for growth. It's so important, okay? So make sure you definitely get, your trims as often as you should. Make sure you are diligent with those, and definitely make sure you find a natural hair care professional that you can go to get your maintenance done for your hair, because it is important. It is very important, and I am telling you guys because I definitely saw it for myself today. I definitely realized it for myself today. And I know sometimes it is hard to find those like true natural hair care stylists and professionals that, you know, really care about your hair and don't just care about a nice look and a nice style. I know it's very hard these days to find that, but there are professional stylists out here that really do still care about healthy hair and are willing to help you and give you the advice and the information you need to maintain your hair and maintain its healthy state. So, yes, you guys, that's just what I wanted to share with y'all today. Just something that I learned. So, I am going to go ahead and finish pinning up my hair. And then I will be back to show you all the finished look and the outcome of my pin curls. Okay guys, so I did finish pinning up my hair. This is the finished results, or this is the final look of the pin curls. This is it. It does take a little bit of time to do this pin up look. About 15-20 minutes. I did do little pins as well. I feel, to me, that helps it last longer as well if you put them in little pin curls. Some people do them in big pin curls where they only do like a couple. They only have about maybe 5 or 6 in their hair. I probably have a good 20 to 25 pins. Maybe a little less than that. But anywho, I did do smaller sections because that's what works for my hair. But it is a little time consuming, about 15-20 minutes to do this. But like I said, if you do bigger pins, then it may be a little bit less time than that. But yes, this is what works for my silk press styles. And then after I am done, sometimes I just like will look through them and feel through them to see if it's any loose pin curls in them, and then I'll simply just get some bobby pins and just put some extra in there to get them to lie down. But this is pretty much it. And I am going to just take my scarf and I'm just going to lightly just put it on. But I'm not going to put it on too tight because I really don't want to smush. I really don't want to smush my pin curls down too much. I don't want them to be like flat. And I'm just going to make sure I get those little strands of hair in my thing. And then I'm also going to go ahead and put my bonnet on, just because I did not tie my scarf too tight. It can come off in the night. So I'm just going to put my bonnet on just to have that second layer of security. And bada bang, bada boom. There you have it, folks. This is it. And I'm going to sleep good tonight, okay? But that is it for now. Thank you guys for watching, as always. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. Peace and love.